Okay girls, good morning. In this video I'm going to explain you the draping of basic skirt. For basic skirt you will be taking length that will be from waistline to the desired length. Say you're going to drape the skirt of length 18 inches, then you'll be adding 18 inches, and then to 18 inches you'll be adding 5 inches, that is the work area. So total length will be 18 plus 5, that will be 23 inches. Then you will be taking width of the block from the center front to side seam, and you'll be adding 5 inches as the work area. Say the measurement from center front to side seam comes out to be 9.5. 9.5 में आप 5 inches add करेंगे, that will become 14.5 inches. So you will cut the block of length 23 inches. This will be the length, and width will be 14.5 inches. For marking the block, you will draw first 1 inch line that will become the fold back. वो fold कर देंगे 1 inch का, and that will become the center front. This is, I am explaining you the marking of the front skirt block. Then after drawing 1 inch line vertically, you will go upwards, and from the top of the edge of the fabric you will take 2 inches. You will mark this as 2 inches, and this will become the waistline of the block. And then from the waistline you will go down to the hip level. Say it is 7 inches in this case, तो आप 7 inches की line 7 inches पर एक line horizontal draw करेंगे, that will become the hip level. Then again you will measure from the waistline to the length of the skirt. So in this case we have taken 18 inches, तो length skirt की जो होगी that will be from waistline to the hem line, that will be 18 inches. So you draw a hem line at this, that will be hem line level at this area. After drawing hip line, hip level, hem level and waistline, you will go towards the width-wise marking. So for width-wise marking, you will be drawing from center front to the side seam. You will measure on the dummy कितना distance आता है from center front to side seam. That will, you will take hip level plus half inch ease. So if at the center hip level, the marking from the center front to hip side seam will be say around 9.5. तो 9.5 में आप half inch ease add करके, that will come out to be tentatively, in this case we are taking 10 inches. So you will mark 10 inch at this side. Then you will start the draping part. First pin आप लगाएंगे at the waistline, center front waistline. Second pin at the hip level, center front hip level. Third pin आप hip level को straight करते हुए, बिल्कुल grain line straight रखते हुए आप hip level पे pin करेंगे 2 pins. Then you will be pinning up the side seam. एक pin आपने इधर लगाया और एक इधर लगा देना side seam पर. Then you'll go upwards towards the waistline और वहाँ पर पिनिंग करते हुए, and you'll find out कि कितनी लूजनेस है फैब्रिक में, और वहाँ पर आपने डार्ट क्रिएट करना है which will be of say 3.5 inches around length, और विड्थ जितनी भी लूजनेस होगी फैब्रिक की आप उसमें कंज्यूम कर लेंगे. एंड द फेसिंग ऑफ द फैब्रिक fold, जो dart का fold होगा, that will be facing towards the center front, and dart will be on the princess line. After taking these markings, आपने fabric को dummy के ऊपर से उतार कर आपने truing के लिए पहले seam allowances draw कर लेनी है. You will draw 1 inch seam allowance as it is shown in the orange, and then 2 inches at the side seam, 2 inches at the hem level, and half inch at the waistline. So here I am about to show you about some distinction. ये जैसे कि ये hemline बनती है and this is the seam allowances जो हमने हाफ इंच लिया हुआ है and 1.5 इंच का we have taken hem fold जो कि फैब्रिक फोल्ड बैक होता है. 1.5 इंच का हमने hem fold शो करना है and then हाफ इंच जो है that is for seam allowance. तो टोटल seam allowances जो है इसमें स्कर्ट की hem line में that is 2 inches. Clear girls? So now आपने क्या करना है, फ्रंट एंड बैक का दोनों की फिगर्स एक ही शीट के ऊपर ड्रॉ करनी है. और इफ द फ्रंट इज इन फ्रंट, सेंटर फ्रंट इज दिस साइड, you'll draw center back at this side. So this forms the center back. सो सेंटर बैक आपने इस साइड पे, बिकॉज जब आपने इन दोनों को स्टिच करना है सो इनकी साइड सीम्स एक ही साइड पर आए इसीलिए. सो हेयर अगेन फॉर द बैक विल फॉलो द सेम प्रोसीजर. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट कि बैक में वी आर पुटिंग इन 2 darts बिकॉज ऑफ द मोर फुलनेस एट द बैक हिप. सो फर्स्ट डार्ट विल बी एट द प्रिंसेस लाइन, वो थोड़ा छोटा डार्ट होगा, और दूसरा डार्ट विल बी बिटवीन द प्रिंसेस लाइन एंड द साइड सीम and that will be slightly longer, say by half inch. So this is the difference, only difference between front and back. You will be draping in the similar way as it is done in the front. So that's it. Thank you girls.